What's good, YouTube? I'm J-Man, and today we are back with another unboxing video, and I want to unbox something that I bought on Amazon, and it's the Red Dragon K552 Kurama keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard. It has blue switches and it's full RGB, so wanted to unbox it, test it out, and give you my review of it. Okay, here's the keyboard. Gotta unbox it though, so let's okay, let's just come on. Okay, here's the front of the box, and as you can see it says blue switches, full RGB, all that stuff. And then if you flip it over, it tells you all the features and all that stuff, and then it just gives you, oh, it comes with a keycap remover as well, so that's always cool. Let me try. Can I open it with one hand? Oh, I can open it with one hand. This is like pro level. One hand. Oh I ripped the box. This is not pro level. I'm gonna rip it again. Oh god. I cannot, oh god, I cannot open this with one hand. It's impossible. It is impossible. Just, oh my god. Okay. Trying our best to open it. Okay. Ooh, okay. We got it. That was the hard part now. Voila, we have, oh my god. We have keyboard. We have keyboard inside. Bang, okay. So here's the keycap remover. Cheap plastic one. What else we got? We got the whole keyboard in this. Jeez. Forget this box. But we got the whole keyboard in this. Let me take this out of the wrapper. Okay, pulling this out. Oh, what? So it comes with, oh, we got a Red Dragon sticker. Pretty cool. And then it comes with a manual, I guess, for like RGB modes and stuff. Of course, we got the keycap remover. And yeah, it's not a honestly, like, I see what everyone says about blue switches being loud, especially at night. I like it personally. Personally, I like it. But yeah, the top of the keyboard frame's metal. I love the edge of the border. I don't like how, oh, it also has the things. I don't know what to call it, but you stand it on the things. Oh, actually, it feels nice. It feels really nice. But yeah, it's pretty solid. Like, it's pretty solid. But I don't like how you can't remove the wire. But I'm assuming there's a mod for that based on how the fact that you can take this out. Yeah, let me test the keycap remover though. Let's don't try this at home. What key shot? I'll just remove the escape key if I can. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, we're not removing this. Let's remove L. Okay. Pretty standard, honestly. And then you see there's a switch right there. Right here's a switch. Yeah, I guess I just oh no way, it damaged. That keyboard is very nice, but you can, the this damages the keycaps. Here, I'll take out I'll take out the L key again. See, here, let me autofocus. Come on, autofocus. It doesn't want to autofocus. But can it autofocus? Anyways, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's marks on the side of the keycaps because it damaged this keycap remover damaged the keycap. But I definitely do want to get custom keycaps for this keyboard. Besides that, it feels really nice though. So let's plug it in and test RGB. Okay, RGB test. Let's see, I'm turning it on now. Holy. The camera does not do it justice at all. Wait, let me turn off this light. That's the RGB with this one. Holy. Very nice RGB. I forgot how to change the modes. Oh, there we go. FN and delete changes. Oh, FN and all these keys right here. These 6 keys. The insert, home, page up, delete, and all that. All these keys here. They, if you click FN and it changes the RGB mode. Hold on. Whoa, oh, this one's so cool. So when you click it, it activates the color. Okay, and that's RGB. That changes the flow. Okay, pretty standard. Oh, this one makes it solid color. Okay, I'm probably just gonna stick with the standard one, but overall it's really nice. Okay, now what everyone's been waiting for is the sound test. So I'm gonna be quiet and test out the sound. Okay, now for my review. I like the blue switches. A lot of people don't, but I like it. It feels fine to me, honestly. For my first mechanical keyboard, I think it's pretty cool. I like how strong it is. That's a good sign. I don't like how you can't unplug the back wire. That's one thing for me. I like the RGB modes. I don't like this keycap remover, like the cheap one. But besides that, I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Just because of how good it sounds and feels and how strong the structure is. But oh, I like how it comes with a sticker as well. The fact that you get a free sticker with the keyboard, I think that's pretty worth it. But besides that, everything else, the only downsides is the fact that you can't unplug the wire and the keycap remover. The size is good, that's why I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. I'll give this keyboard an 8 out of 10. But besides all that, that's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed me unboxing this keyboard, let me know down in the comments below. I don't know what my next unboxing video is going to be, but stay tuned for that. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.